Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 BMW M3. This one is a mineral gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6 with 440 horsepower and 404 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch M wheels, M3 badging on the side, blue M calipers, carbon fiber mirror covers, side splitters, carbon fiber interior, black leather seats, rear heated seats, carbon roof, carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber rear diffuser. Open up the trunk, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one is the competition package, so it does have some extra goodies to it. Harman Kardon sound system, red and blue BMW stitching on the seat belts, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, hard keys for the radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, our adjustments for our suspensions, turn wheel for the infotainment center, hard keys for the media display. This M3 has 9,113 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW M3, visit us at feldmannimports.com.